Just another note on the U-bend hose that goes on the top of the lower thermostat housing. I got another hose and I cut it just a tad longer than the existing. Anything that will help you get it back on is going to be a plus. And you can always pull it back off and trim it again if need be. But I've learned that a lot of these hoses, I don't know, it's hose efficiency crew came by or something, but they cut them exactly to fit, no extra. So this one, by the way, is a Daco B80400, and where it fits, I'll show you real quick if you don't know. Right there, right on that fitting. And that's one reason they make protective covers for these. Anyway, so that U-bend goes on in here. And then it connects to something that I took off earlier, which I have to find. Oh, yes. It goes from this fitting here over to here. And I can see I've got to clean that up with wire brush first. It's also rusting. So this will be fine, I think, on the length, because this has a little bit of flex. It just fits into a just a clamp. Following it back, it goes up here to here, and there is a clamp, maybe. It's the top one here. Yes, it's attached to this piece here that holds both of these in as one. So I might need to cut it down just a tad, but I think first I'll get it on this one, and then I'll slide the U-bend over the thermostat housing fitting. That would probably be a better move. In the meantime, sensors are both in with new clips, and the sensors themselves are new also. At least now I know that for some reason when I start it, the temp gauge doesn't work. I probably have those connectors backwards, or the sensors in backwards, however you want to look at it. And we'll work on that if it happens.